Okay, we just dropped our stuff off at baggage check. I'm gonna go fill my mug, and then we are gonna head over to Animal Kingdom. I actually snagged some come with me. I actually snagged some really good fast passes, and we've got Kilimanjaro Safari, Nemo Show, and I got Flight of Passage yesterday. And that's just, you just keep refreshing the app. I've said this actually a couple of times on my live stream and to people who've asked. If you just keep refreshing the app, the fast passes are constantly changing. So you can find, if you can dedicate 20 or 30 minutes, you should be able to get the fast pass that you want. Welcome to Animal Kingdom. I know, go blue. Ruthie, welcome to Animal Kingdom. We're here. We found an empty one. It's spotted.
No, I don't have any. Oh, I'm sorry. No.
Okay, do yours. Good job. We're in. Welcome. Animal Kingdom. I'm wearing my special ears. I love these ears. And we are headed to Kilimanjaro Safari. And then we've got the Nemo Show. And then we've got Flight of Passage. 12:25. Then we can take a little break, and Flight of Passage is at 1:45.
So we can take a little break too.
We could?
It happens to be
right before Flight of Passage. It's perfect. It is beautiful. Lots of people taking pictures. Are you gonna go on a ride? Yes. Gonna go see some animals? Yes. You excited? Oh, do you feel the breeze? It's hot today. Baby Rosie's asleep. She got her fan on, but she's asleep. Are you gonna see Nemo, Ro? You gonna see Nemo? Wow, and there's Rosie.
It's big.
It's big? Oh, it's a ride?
Yes, a ride.
Oh, a ride up there. I see. So silly.
Did you see Nemo? I saw Nemo. Look in the bubbles.
Did you get a sticker?
I gave her a sticker.
Cool.
Seen a boat. Follow me. Hey, do I know you?
Yes, you were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat? How
We already did this.
Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. Daddy!
Oh no, he scared him.
I don't know why we can't just say hello.
I want to go home, Daddy.
Jelly man.
Jelly? Whoa!
Chapter 360, squirt.
Check this out. Whoa!
In Pandora. We released our Flight of Passage and decided to switch it to Navi River Journey because Ruthie was wanting to ride a ride, and we said okay. And I refreshed the app for 3 minutes and got a Navi River Journey. So that's what I keep saying, just click back and forth, and you can eventually get whatever fast pass you want, because there are thousands of people switching their fast passes at a time. Pandora is so beautiful, but it is like wild. There are so many people here. Hey Mom, is Navi River Journey worth 80 minutes? No.
Any planet.
And Pandora.
Either one.
Here we go.
Fastpass line though is quite nice and shady.
Yes. And quick.
And quick.
Quick.
Very.
Ooh. I'll tell you one thing. If you really want to ride this ride and not wait, just rope drop it. Nobody's here. No one's here when you rope drop. Is it a light? It's probably pretty bright, babe. Come on. Come on, ready to? Do you see it? Look. You see signs? Bye, Pandora. See you in a month. Hi. We didn't end up going to the Nomad Lounge because
Too busy and too slow.
and we needed to go quicker because we need more time.
We have to hurry.
We need to make sure we have enough time to catch the Magical Express. There's this little girl. Say hi, Wozy.
Here.
Hi. Hi, Wozy. So now we're headed back to the hotel, so we have plenty of time to catch Magical Express, have a little bite to eat, and yeah. So we are headed back to. Bye, Pop. Hello, Magical Express. Bye, Pops and Trees. Well, we missed the exit, but we just left. And we are on the Magical Express. I've got a Rosie, and Susie and Ruthie are over there, and we are headed to the airport. But it's okay, because we'll be back in 29 days. We'll be back, our flight leaves September 3rd. We will be back very, very soon. See you real soon in 29 days. And by the time you guys see this, a lot less time than that. Following Susie. Luckily, our gates are right by each other. So we are gonna go get on. You wanna walk? Okay, go ahead and walk with me. Okay, so before we sign off from this vacation, Ruthie got one of these prize packs, right? And you're gonna open it for us? Okay, open the first one. Cool. Can you show the camera? What'd you get? It's Benny.
It's me.
It's Benny the taxi cab. Hang on, let me show the camera.
Look.
It's little Benny. Can you show who he is? It's got a little Roger Rabbit on it. Right? Here, you can set him down. You wanna open the next one? Look. It's the Hag. We also don't have her. Nana does, but we don't. I have her. Yeah. Can we show? Who is it? It's the Hag. It's the Hag. What is she holding?
Apple.
Apples, but it's a poison apple. Here, let's show it.
Well, let's not do that. We have to clean that up. We don't want to make a mess.
And then also, let's show Benny. There's Benny.
How many do you get?
3. And then you want to do one more? There's one more in there waiting for you. What is it? It's Lilo. And she is a hula girl. She's hula dancing. Ready? She's shaking. Ready? You want to show? There she is. She's hula dancing. Can you say, we'll see you on our next trip? And Rosie's ready to go. You want to say bye, Mom? See you real soon. Bye, everyone. We'll see you on our next trip. Bye.